Hello friends, today I will show you stapler pin magic. First you take a stapler pin box. Take the stapler pin out of the box. Now place the stapler pin one by one in a set. In this way, place the stapler pin one by one around the area nicely. When one step is complete, arrange it again like this. Place the stapler pin around the area as you place them. Place the pin step by step like this. It is very easy to do. You just have to be patient and slowly place them. So that the pin sets below match the pin set above. Do is until you run out of stapler pin. If it is messy, arrange it again nicely. If there is a gap somewhere, fill it with a stapler pin. If you do it with a little patience, it will look very nice. Wow, beautiful stapler magic. Thanks for watching.